$200,000. That is the number that stops most people dead in their tracks. When you look at the tuition, the fees, and the cost of living for a 3-year doctoral program, the price tag is terrifying. It looks like a mortgage. It looks like a financial death sentence. And the most common question I get in the comments is it worth it? Is taking on that much debt actually smart? Most people look at that number and they see a liability. They see a heavy chain that will drag them down for decades. But that is because they are thinking like consumers, not investors. A consumer sees debt as the cost of buying things that lose value, like cars or clothes. An investor sees debt as leverage, the cost of buying an asset that prints money. Today, we are going to audit the CRNA business model. We are going to look at the return on investment, the break-even analysis, and the opportunity cost. We are going to prove why $200,000 in debt is not only manageable, but effectively cheap for the asset you are acquiring. The money printing machine. From this point forward, I want you to stop thinking about the degree as a piece of paper. I want you to think of the nurse anesthetist license as a business franchise. Imagine if I offered you a machine. The machine costs $200,000 to buy, but once you plug it in, it spits out $300,000 in cash every single year for the next 30 years. And it requires almost zero maintenance costs to keep running. Would you buy that machine? Of course you would. You would borrow every cent you could to buy as many of them as possible, because the cost of the machine is irrelevant compared to the output of the machine. This is exactly what the nurse anesthetist license is. It is an income-generating asset. The problem is, most registered nurses are afraid of the upfront cost because they do not understand the speed of the return. They think it will take them 10 or 20 years to pay off the loan, but the math says something very different. The break-even reality. Let's look at the net difference. This is the only number that matters. As a bedside RN, let's say you earn roughly $80,000 a year. As a nurse anesthetist, a conservative starting salary is $200,000, though in this market it is often much higher. That is a net increase of $120,000 per year. Now, let's apply that increase to the debt. If you took that entire extra $120,000 and threw it at your $200,000 loan, you would be debt-free in less than 24 months. 2 years, not 10 years, not 20 years. 2 years of living like a resident, and the asset is paid off forever. After month 24, that extra 6-figure income goes straight into your pocket for the rest of your life. When you look at the timeline, the debt prison is actually incredibly short. The cost of fear. Now, we have to look at the other side of the equation. What happens if you don't go? What is the cost of letting your fear of debt stop you? We call this opportunity cost. If you stay at the bedside because you are scared of the loans, you are saving $200,000 in debt, but you are losing the $120,000 annual raise every single year. Over a 30-year career, that is $3.6 million in lost earnings. You are effectively paying $3.6 million to avoid a $200,000 loan. That is the most expensive savings plan in history. The math is brutal. Fear is expensive. The interest rate on your student loans might be 7%, but the interest rate on your fear is costing you millions. I want to pause here for a second. Most people will never break down their career choices with this kind of financial logic. They act on emotion, not data. If you want to move from being an employee to being the CEO of your own anesthesia career, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Hit that button right now to join the tribe of providers who are mastering the business of healthcare. Now, let's talk about inflation. The inflation hedge. Here is a concept that the wealthy understand, but the middle class ignores. Inflation erodes debt. $200,000 sounds like a lot of money today, but 10 years from now, that same $200,000 will be worth significantly less in purchasing power. However, your income as a nurse anesthetist will rise with inflation. Healthcare wages historically track or beat inflation because the service is essential. So, you are borrowing expensive dollars today to buy an asset that pays you growing dollars tomorrow, and you are paying the loan back later with cheaper dollars. In a high inflation environment, holding fixed rate student loan debt while your income skyrockets is actually a winning financial strategy. The debt stays the same number, your income keeps going up. The gap between them widens in your favor every single year. The recession-proof asset. When you buy a stock, it can go to zero. When you buy a rental property, the tenants can stop paying. When you buy a cryptocurrency, it can vanish overnight. But a nurse anesthetist license, it is one of the only assets on earth that is virtually recession proof. People do not stop needing surgery because the stock market crashed. People do not stop having babies, or getting into car accidents, or needing appendix removals because the economy is down. The demand for anesthesia is inelastic. This means that your $200,000 investment is secured by the biological needs of the human population. Banks love lending money to nurse anesthetist students for a reason. It is the safest bet in the banking world. If the banks, who are the greediest, most risk-averse institutions on earth, are willing to bet $200,000 on your future success, why aren't you willing to bet on yourself? The lifestyle arbitrage. The secret to making this math work is something called lifestyle arbitrage. The trap that graduates fall into is lifestyle creep. They graduate, they get the big check, and they immediately buy the Tesla, the big house, and the expensive vacations. This is why they stay in debt for 10 years. But if you are watching this channel, you are smarter than that. The strategy is simple. For the first 2 years after you graduate, continue to live like a broke student, or continue to live like you are still earning your RN salary. Take the difference, that massive surplus of cash, and destroy the loans. It is a temporary sacrifice. You grind for 3 years in school and 2 years in practice. 5 years total hard work. In exchange, you get 30 years of complete financial freedom. Most people trade their freedom for payments. You are trading a few years of discipline for a lifetime of wealth. The final calculation. Let's wrap this up with the final calculation. If you invest $200,000 today, and that investment yields a lifetime return of over $5 million, that is a 25x return on investment. If I told you there was a stock that was guaranteed to go up 25 times in value, you would sell everything you own to buy it. That is what this degree is. Do not let the sticker shock scare you out of the best financial decision of your life. The debt is temporary, the license is forever. The only thing that is actually expensive is waiting. If you're ready to understand the next step, specifically how to maximize that income once you graduate by choosing the right practice model, you need to see the numbers on the W-2 versus the 1099 employment models. Click the video on your screen right now to see that breakdown. I'll see you there.